In the world of investing, having a solid strategy is crucial for long-term success. In this video, we will delve into several key investment strategies that can help you navigate the complex financial landscape and make informed decisions. By understanding and implementing the principles of diversification, long-term investing, dividend reinvestment, avoiding panic selling, index fund investment, automation, and thorough research, you can establish a strong foundation for your financial future. Diversification. Diversification is a fundamental strategy in investing that involves spreading your investments across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. By diversifying your portfolio, you reduce the risk associated with investing in a single asset class. If one asset performs poorly, the impact on your overall portfolio is minimized by the performance of other assets. This strategy helps protect your investments from being overly affected by market fluctuations in any particular sector. Invest for the long term. While the stock market can be volatile in the short term, it has historically exhibited an upward trend over the long term. By adopting a long-term investment approach, you increase your likelihood of seeing positive returns. Investing for the long term allows you to weather short-term market fluctuations and capitalize on the potential for compounding growth over extended periods. It also enables you to benefit from the overall growth trajectory of the market. Reinvest your dividends. When you receive dividends from your investments, reinvesting them back into your portfolio can be a powerful wealth-building strategy. By reinvesting dividends, you harness the power of compounding. The reinvested dividends purchase additional shares, which can generate further dividends and capital appreciation. This compounding effect can significantly enhance the growth of your investments over time and accelerate the accumulation of wealth. Don't panic sell. During market downturns, it can be tempting to sell your investments out of fear or anxiety. However, panic selling is often counterproductive. It locks in losses and prevents you from benefiting from potential recoveries in the market. Instead, it is crucial to remain calm and stay focused on your long-term investment strategy. By resisting the urge to panic sell, you give your investments the opportunity to rebound and regain value over time. Invest in index funds. Index funds are a type of mutual fund that tracks a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. Investing in index funds offers a low-cost way to gain exposure to a diversified portfolio of stocks across various sectors. Index funds provide broad market coverage and allow you to benefit from the overall performance of the market. Their passive management approach and lower expense ratios make them an attractive investment option for those seeking long-term growth. Automate your investing. To stay on track with your investment goals, automating your investing can be a powerful tool. By setting up automatic investment plans, you ensure that a predetermined amount of money is regularly allocated to your investments. This approach promotes consistency, discipline, and removes the temptation to make emotional investing decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Automation helps you stay focused on your long-term objectives and simplifies the investment process. Do your research. Before making any investment, conducting thorough research is vital. It involves understanding the underlying asset, evaluating its potential risks and rewards, and assessing the fees associated with the investment. By conducting due diligence, you can make informed decisions and align your investments with your financial goals. Research empowers you to navigate the investment landscape more confidently and make choices based on sound fundamentals. Implementing effective investment strategies is crucial for success in the world of finance. By diversifying your portfolio, adopting a long-term perspective, reinvesting dividends, avoiding panic selling, considering index fund investments, automating your approach, and conducting thorough research, you can navigate the complexities of the financial markets with confidence. Remember to subscribe for more finance-related content and give this video a like if you found it helpful. Together, let's strive towards achieving our financial goals.